Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to e-file 1099 NEC with Iris. First, log into your Iris account and open the Forms menu to select 1099 NEC. Next, choose whether you will upload a spreadsheet or enter payees manually and validate TINs. Follow the on-screen prompts to map fields, check amounts, and review recipient copies. Finish by submitting to the IRS and saving confirmation for your records. Start by selecting a recipient and entering their legal name, TIN, and address in Iris. Put the exact non-employee compensation amount in Box 1 and double-check any state-specific fields. If you upload a spreadsheet, ensure column headers match Iris mappings to avoid mismatches. Run the Iris validation step to reveal errors, correct them, and preview the recipient copy before proceeding to submission and payment if applicable. If you found these tips useful, please hit subscribe and like to support more simple tax help. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for durable comfort and a lifetime warranty. They make long data entry days much cozier. I added a link and deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Before you transmit, use Iris to preview all filed 1099 NEC forms and inspect each recipient copy for accuracy. Address any validation errors and rerun checks until the system reports no issues. Choose electronic filing and follow prompts to authorize transmission, then wait for the IRS acceptance notice. Download and save the confirmation and any acceptance rejections. These documents are essential for your records and future audits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.